Today, we're looking at the Samsung W25, Samsung's latest luxury foldable phone, priced at around $2,229 for the 512GB version and $2,508 for the 1TB variant. This device combines high-end design with cutting-edge technology, from its striking gold frame to its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Let's dive in and see if this foldable lives up to its premium price. Let's find out. Section 1. Design and build quality. First off, let's talk design. The Samsung W25 is stunning, with its heart-to-the-world logo and a high-quality gold armor aluminum frame that feels premium. Samsung has put a lot into the hinge mechanism, giving it a solid, smooth fold. The craftsmanship on this phone is impressive, but does it feel as good as it looks? Drop a comment if you think design should matter in a foldable phone. Section 2. Display and visual experience. The Samsung W25 comes with an 8-inch Dynamic AMOLED main display and a secondary 6.2-inch AMOLED cover screen. Colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and with its 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, it's super smooth. Whether you're gaming or watching videos, this display makes everything pop. Plus, Samsung has improved the crease, making it less noticeable when fully open. Section 3. Performance and speed. Under the hood, the Samsung W25 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy and 16GB of RAM. This powerhouse can handle anything from intense multitasking to gaming. It's also running on Samsung's One UI 6.1.1, based on Android 14, which feels incredibly responsive and smooth. You won't be seeing any lags here. Section 4. Camera system. Now, onto the cameras. The W25 has a 50MP main sensor paired with a 50MP ultra-wide and a 10MP telephoto lens. The results are stunning, with sharp details and great color accuracy. For video calls or selfies, the 10MP front camera does a solid job, especially with the Dynamic AMOLED screen as your viewfinder. Section 5. Battery and charging. This device packs a 4,400 mAh battery, which is pretty good considering the power it offers. It supports 25W wired and 15W wireless charging, getting you powered up relatively quickly. With moderate use, you can get a full day, but heavy users may need a top-up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Umar's Tech Reviews for more videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Until next time, keep exploring tech.